का टॉपिक है टेलर्स थ्योरम विथ लैग्रेंज फॉर्म ऑफ रिमाइंडर आफ्टर n टर्म्स। सो ये स्टेटमेंट है, इफ़ एफ एक्स इज अ सिंगल वैल्यूड फंक्शन ऑफ एक्स such that all the derivative of fx up to n-1 terms are continuous in x जो कि बड़ा होगा और इक्वल टू होगा a से लेकिन लेस देन और इक्वल टू होगा a प्लस h से, और f and x exist in x greater than a but less than a plus h, then a plus h is equal to f a plus h f dash a plus h square 2 factorial f double dash a plus dot फिर प्लस h to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1 का factorial f n minus 1 a plus h n by n factorial f n a plus theta h where 0 where theta is greater than 0 but less than equal to 1। तो ये है तुम स्टेटमेंट टेलर्स थ्योरम विद लैग्रेंज फॉर्म ऑफ रिमाइंडर आफ्टर n टर्म्स का। तो इसके बाद जो हम देखने वाले हैं वो प्रूफ देखेंगे, जो कि इसका प्रूफ कैसे किया जाता है। तो मान लेते हैं लेट f of ab tends to r be a continuous function on closed interval ab and differentiable on ab। So therefore by LMVT इसका मतलब है Lagrange's mean value theorem, there exists C belongs to AB such that f of b minus f of a by b minus a is equal to f dash c, which implies that f a plus h minus f of a by f a plus h minus a is equal to f dash c. This implies f a plus h minus f a is equal to f of f dash c where c belongs to AB. If c is equal to a plus h theta where theta is greater than 1 but less than 1 where theta is greater than 0 but less than 1, which implies c belongs to AB, which implies f a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash a plus h theta where theta is greater than 0 but less than 1. So if f dash f double dash up to f n minus 1, which is n minus 1 times differentiable in a minus del comma a plus del and f and x exist, then f a plus h f of a plus h is equal to f of a plus h f dash a plus h square by 2 factorial f double dash of a plus dot 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 plus h to the power n minus 1 by n minus 1 का factorial f to the power n minus 1 of a plus h n by n factorial f of f n of a plus h theta. So this is Taylor's development of a plus h on a in ascending integral power of h. The n minus 1 term h n by n factorial f and a plus theta h is called Lagrange's form of remainder after n terms। तो ये जो h n by n factorial f to the power n a plus h theta है, ये क्या है? ये तुम्हारा Lagrange's form of remainder after n terms है, जो कि f a plus